Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to add watermarks and download protection to your Redbubble images. If you didn't know, piracy and art theft is a huge problem in the print-on-demand industry. As soon as you post a new design, there are many thieves out there just waiting to copy it and sell it themselves. Thieves are ruthless, guys. Even a personal t-shirt design I made of my grandfather on his farm was not safe. I thought posting this design online would make it easy for my family members and friends to purchase the shirt, but even this was stolen by design thieves and is now available on random sites. You could try to go after every person or website that's stolen your designs, but this would take up tons of your time and the problem would still persist. But it's still best to do everything that you can to prevent the piracy of your designs with the tools that we currently have. With so many design thieves out there, it's highly important to take whatever steps you can to protect your work. On Redbubble, artists are provided with tools you can use to fight the piracy of your art. This includes the ability to add watermarks and download protection to your Redbubble images. This is a great preventative measure to help protect your work from piracy. In this video, we'll be going over how to help prevent others from stealing your designs on Redbubble by adding watermarks to your images and enabling download protection. Redbubble watermarks and download protection are both great ways to add an extra layer of protection to your Redbubble designs. Although it's impossible to prevent all cases of people stealing your art and designs, it's still a good idea to protect your work on Redbubble with the options that are currently available. Using watermarks on Redbubble can help discourage others from stealing your artwork by making it harder for them to edit the designs. And with download protection, they can't simply right-click your image and save it to their device. So let's start by taking a look at examples of some of the watermarks on Redbubble. As you can see on the Redbubble homepage here, some of the images have various marks covering the design. These are watermarks added by Redbubble to try and help prevent people from stealing your work. I've noticed that many people don't add watermarks to their images, but I recommend that you do. This definitely won't prevent all thieves from stealing designs, but it is our first line of defense. So let's go over how to add watermarks to your images and enable download protection. First, let's go to your account drop-down menu at the top right, then go down to the Account Settings tab. This is where you can update your account details and access your artist tools. From your Artist Tools menu on the left-hand side, let's go down to the Protect Your Work tab. Here's where you can come to access your image protection settings. Redbubble believes it's crucial for artists to control how their work is used and sold, so they provide you with tools you can use to fight the piracy of your art. In the first section here, you can select the type of watermarks you want to use for your zoom views. This is when a store visitor clicks on one of your designs to get a closer look. By default, your designs will be uploaded with no watermark. But to enable watermarks on your designs, you actually have three different options. First, you can place a small watermark in the corner of your images. This adds your store name to the corner of your image and provides the least amount of protection. Next, you can place a large watermark in the center of your images. This adds your store name to the center of your designs and provides much better protection than the small watermark. And finally, the option that I select for all of the designs in my stores is to place a tiled watermark across my images. This will add a bunch of X's and crosses on top of your design, making it much harder to copy and steal. So now, go ahead and select the type of watermarks you want to use for your zoom views. I recommend using the tiled watermarks, but you can select any that you wish. After you select your watermarks, we can then move on to your download protection. This is another great feature to help protect your designs, but before we get into that, if you need a super easy way to create eye-catching t-shirt designs fast, make sure you click my link in the video description to unlock a free trial of Canva Pro. With Canva Pro, you can access thousands of t-shirt design templates that you can use to create your designs. With Canva Pro, you can also export your designs with a transparent background to use for your products, access a huge library of stock images and graphics, the background remover, and tons of other amazing tools that you can use to create your designs. But to access all the tools and features that you'll need to create your designs, you'll need to have a Canva Pro account. Go ahead and click my affiliate link in the video description and you can give Canva Pro a try free for 30 days. And of course, after you create your designs, make sure you protect them with watermarks. Once you've finished selecting your watermarks, you can then move down and enable your download protection. On the internet, Most images can be saved by simply right-clicking and saving them to your computer. But by clicking the checkbox here to enable download protection, you'll actually add a transparent image on the top of your designs to prevent people from right-clicking and saving them. This still won't prevent all thieves from stealing your designs, but it does add an extra layer of protection. So once you've selected your watermarks and enabled download protection, go ahead and go down to the bottom here and click on the Save button. Your shop settings should now be updated and watermarks should now be added to your images. So now let's head over to my shop and check out my images and make sure my watermarks have been added. As an example, let's check out this karate design here in my striking collection. So if we look at my product images here, we can see that watermarks have been added to my design image. And when people click the design to go to the zoom view, you'll be able to see the pluses and X's on there as well. As stated before, it's impossible to prevent all piracy of your designs, but these definitely make it more difficult. And with download protection, when somebody right-clicks your image, they're actually right-clicking an invisible image on top of your image and won't be able to save your actual design. If they click the Save As tab here, they'll actually be saving a web page and not an image file. So that's a couple of ways to help protect your work and prevent the piracy of your designs on Redbubble. So if you haven't already, go ahead and enable watermarks on your designs and enable download protection. And if you're new to Redbubble and need help getting started, I just launched the brand new Redbubble Masterclass for beginners. If you're looking for step-by-step training to set up your shop, create awesome designs, and build your brand, make sure you check out our Redbubble Masterclass for beginners. This course will take you step-by-step through the entire process to build your e-commerce shop on Redbubble, create product designs that your customers will love, upload designs and publish products to the Redbubble marketplace, how to optimize your product listings for better search rankings, manage your shop for continuous improvement, grow your brand with various marketing strategies and tips, and much more. Simply follow the steps in the course and you'll learn everything you need to get started on Redbubble. This is perfect for those that want step-by-step training to get your Redbubble shop up and running fast. Take a moment to check out the free preview videos and the course curriculum so you can see all of the valuable information that we'll be covering. No experience is required to get started, so there's nothing stopping you from building your own e-commerce shop on Redbubble. So that's a quick overview of how to add watermarks to your Redbubble designs and how to enable download protection. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications bell so you'll get notified each time I release a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.